welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be reviewing products from Olly. Now Olly is like a Calcutta based brand and they have their thing here in Calcutta. So I was like wondering why not try it, because I've already like tried Dot and Key products which are also from Calcutta. So I was like, I need to try it. Moreover, there was like a lot of ads on Facebook about Olly products and a lot of Tollywood actors raving about their products. So I was like, I really need to get my hands on these products. So anyway, without further ado, let's get started. Also guys, if you're looking at this face for the very first time, hi, I'm Upasna and I'm just starting off my YouTube journey. So if you really like my videos, do give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more. Okay guys, talking about the product, this is the product right here. This is the Olly Magic Potion Mattifying Massage Gel, Aloe Vera Gel and Turmeric. So this is the packaging. This is really tiny product as you can see. So I'll just open it. I have used quite a bit. It has kind of a bluish undertone, the gel, and the gel is not really good for all you dry skin people out there. I'll just use it. So this is the finish. This is really like a gel finish and mattifying finish right here, and it will take only few seconds to just get into your skin and seep into your skin. Talking about the second product I bought, this is the Olly Eye Spy Soothing Under Eye Jelly. This is aloe vera and cucumber. So they do not have the full list of ingredients, they only have the key ingredients right here. So this is it, and I'll just open it. Again, this is a really small dabba. So this is the consistency right here. This is again a gel, and I'm just going to use it and show you guys just a bit here. So here, if I just massage it, it is kind of hydrating, I would say. It's really good for days when you are applying makeup. It really blends in perfectly because this gel texture like really hydrates your under eyes. As you can see, look at the shine right here. It's really good, and yeah, that's about it. And this is the Eye Spy gel, guys. And this I literally bought two products which are really affordable, which all you girls can invest in. So I just got these products to try out, and it's really good. Okay guys, so those were the consistency and basically the amount you get, like the size of the dabba and the consistency and the gel like texture you saw. So this is the gel, this is the mattifying gel which I showed you right there. So this is a really tiny dabba, I would say, and I got this for 299 rupees, which is kind of okay, because for Mamaearth, if I invest in the aloe turmeric gel of Mamaearth, there's a lot of quantity there. So aloe vera and turmeric is not that costly that you will like cost and price it for 299 bucks. So that's not done. It could have been a bit cheaper, and I did not see coupon codes also there, so it was kind of pricey for me, this product particularly. Also guys, the next product, which is the Olly Eye Spy Soothing Under Eye Jelly, aloe vera plus cucumber. This you can do a thing. This I'll tell you the cost right here. This is the gel, and the cost is 499 rupees. I was like, what are you doing? Because Biotech also has their anti-fatigue eye gel, which I had reviewed in the Nykaa haul. I had bought it again, and it was really good. It was kind of cooling. It has a cooling effect. It was too good for the price. It was like around 200 rupees, and for 499 I was like a bit skeptical that why am I buying this, but really I needed to review for you guys, because a lot of people were telling me that what is this brand and how is it, can we just try it out. So I thought reviewing it would be fine. So this is okay. I mean that I have used it for over a week, and it does not do something awesome about it. then there's nothing awesome about it. You just for extra effects you have to, for extra results I would say, sorry, so for extra results you have to keep it in the fridge, ठंडा करो इसको, and then after having bath or before going off to sleep or before applying concealer, just take it a bit and it will like kind of depuff your eye area. So that is about it, I would say. And the only problem I had is with the quantity and you know, the size of the product compared to the price of the product, and also the list of key ingredients. The key ingredients are given, not the entire list of ingredients are given, so that was really, you know, the customers need to know what they are buying, so it was not there. But then it's fine, key ingredients theek hai. And another thing I would like to tell you guys is that this magic potion right here, the name is very attractive, like magic potion. It has aloe vera, turmeric. So I use this product consistently for like 2-3 days, then I stopped using it because it literally broke me out right here. I don't know you'll be able to see or not, but these white things right here, spots kinda, so these were a result of this. So then I stopped using this product, and I was using it for my arms and all. I was using it as a body cream, but I will give it to my mom or someone or some of my friend, one of my friend who would really use it and who will like whose skin will suit this product right here. So yeah, I mean, I was a bit disappointed buying these products, but ठीक है, the eye gel is fine I would say, but you know, they are very costly. I think they should lower their price a bit or increase their quantity a bit, so that would really help, because Dot & Key products are like worth the price because they have a lot of quantity I would say. So these products are really tiny, if you see itna chota hai, so this is like not worth it. I mean, that's it. Yeah, fine. So this was my review. I would say honestly that guys, if you want to go for this, you go for it, provided this suits your skin type, this magic potion right here, because I have an oily combination sensitive skin. I know it's a big description, but this did not suit me. You can invest in the eye gel, because eye gel is always worth it, because you need to take care of your under eye, and this will really benefit you. And this you can use it before applying your concealer right there. So yeah, that's about it. And yeah, these were the review for these products. Okay guys, so this was my review for the products right here. These two chota dabbas worth 500 bucks and 300 bucks. This was the review, and I really hope you found it helpful. If you want to invest, you can go on with the eye gel. I would say don't go for the magic potion if you really have sensitive skin, so it will kind of break you out. So yeah, that's about it. I really hope you like my video. If you really like my video, do give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more. I'll see you in my next video.